to walk these streets alone, a quiet echo in my headphone. The days were painted shades of gray, just watching moments slip away. I built my walls up brick by brick, never thought that they would fall so quick. Then a spark, a flash of light, you burned away the endless night. And you came and changed my view, made every single faded color new. My heart knows what to say, no more lonely days. Now I'm laughing in the pouring rain. You washed away the doubt and pain. It's in the way you say my name, a wildfire to a dying flame. Like a song